If you're new, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down in the comment section. We're not charge you, but just leave a comment if you wanna, and subscribe, people, subscribe. So we're here to tell you our basically our business we're gonna talk still, you know, like, yeah, I know Mr. Man know I'm talking business, but we're just here to tell you just tell us why did we became a teacher. I don't know what me I ramble about, but why did we became a teacher? Yeah, why did we choose this profession? Babe, why did you choose this profession?
I have a lot of reasons, but
come babe, be honest and make you choose the profession. You choose the profession?
alright, to be honest, I never me choose it.
Yeah.
I never me choose it, and me no regret.
The profession.
Me no regret say me auntie actually choose it for me.
Yeah.
Me no regret it. Like 100% glad, happy, thankful for it. And after starting, me get to realize yeah, it's actually a wonderful profession. Basically, like after me leave high school, me start art. Yeah, only pound not about art at this and art at that. Stay there. Galang art if you not know for there, yeah? Anyways, cause art get certified in my construction, my masonry and everything. So yeah, me just sit down pan something where why burn up lad. Sit down with a motor qualifications, yeah. And my auntie, after art, my auntie said to me, say, boy, you know, sit down here, you know. I go to college. So, yeah, me say no, me no want to go nowhere. Tell him no, then he start causing cost me. And me say, Chum, you don't stay with him, me not go nowhere. And eventually, grandma come in and grandma do what she fit do. Grandma do a lot. Why people me can't tell us? My grandmother. If we can go heaven and come back, me go and come back for that lady. The God knows. She call me and she tell me, say, look on my family, look how they go college and do what they do with their life and stuff. And I say, I don't say me no want to go to college. Me don't need to go to college to become somebody. And he said, explain to me, saying that it don't necessarily mean say you're a nobody, but it actually build you. You actually build in a society. And so me with my enough self want to know about money and how much for this and how much for that, how money I pay and all this. Me ask, then shut me up. You don't need to worry about that. So I say, okay, cool. Send me go. First week, me go. Boy, I can tell me, man, I can look for a big old man like me and tell me about me to get up in 3 o'clock morning and 2 o'clock morning if you go run.
That's like the process though we'll go through to becoming a teacher.
So as me that say, go in and then talk to me and, you know, everything up, man. So yeah, did it and carry on my suitcase and sitting and drop asleep. Oh, it's alright, yeah. Man, I come kick down my door, beat down my door at 2 o'clock morning and look on me. I'll tell me, say, me get up out of my bed. So me, the day I say, boy, I want to sense. I'm really that big old man like me, I'll tell me, pay for my grandma pay for my bed for me sleep, you know. And you look on me and tell me, say, me get up. But anyways, look back and lay down. And the other man, them get up in the hallway and be nice and sitting be nice. Man, them kick me do and knock me do see me. So, you know me can't go drop back asleep because I'm be nice. So, eventually I have to get up. So, I get up and I go play. So, out the door now and I see them and say, we have to run. So, I say, run. So I did it and I turn up and like me and say, I don't know sick in on me there, man. So I turn back. I'm going to go back down for the door, man. This man come there and I say to me, say, Ray, and the man talk off him mouth and say, so I say, Chuck, as man he come here call me auntie if he come for me down on this. So I call me auntie and my auntie decide say she not come for me. She said to me say she go through it, so me have to go through it.
Yeah, it's all in the process.
So me did it and me say, try you know, tough it out. And me did tough it out. After a while it did get nice, it get very nice. Like Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Blvd is nice. But Monday and Tuesday are worse.
This part is like where you just go through a college. It's not like the part where like it's not a part of becoming a teacher. It's just something of the whole process of going.
Just college.
Yeah, college, and then it's only like if you're bored. It's not for everybody. It's only if you're bored.
Come late and come.
I didn't go
so
through that.
Go through it, so
no, I didn't went through that.
It's a fun part.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyways, so yeah, go through that. Then start.
That's like a part that helps to mold you. You know why it helps to mold you? Because it's like if you're doing a course like art and craft, if you're doing like the primary aspect of teaching, it like keeping you up late. Art is a course, not really art alone, but art is one of those courses that you kind of implement that type of, you know, think so?
Me?
Well,
me not need to explain.
They kind of implement that.
That, you know, help me to stay up late. You know, help me to put in.
I think
you know,
so.
help me.
But
you know, help me. Per se, I'm glad me do it, but you know, help me. Like, you know, help me in a case where me have to stay up late and do it because night come, it's either me and the dogs outside I play domino, we had drink one little something, you know, and we go to bed after. Don't stay up and do no work. You don't have no time for that. Because I remember your first year of college, you don't know nothing more about college life. Yeah? You go for entertainment, you go for enjoyment and all that. Me, for my first year, that me did it for.
yeah.
So, till, you know, we all get like a whatever, like a basic color and all that, till me you know, me feel a couple courses, right? Then
it's like a thing where, you know, you are not perfect. It's like something you just go through.
I feel a couple courses
Yeah.
and I try to hide it from my auntie, I try to hide it from my mother, I try to hide it from my grandmother. And me have a strong mentor down for the school where no matter what happen, for me auntie know everything. If me walk and me drop me auntie know. But me glad. Mr. Mackenzie, best. Me tell you, best. So as me I said, Mr. Mackenzie, he might just a good mentor. Like him can just sit down. He not let me say this. He not see or feel or hear the bad things and he not come to you and say, you need to stop with this. You need to pull up your socks, you need to do this, you need to do that. And me appreciate it and eventually tell me auntie say me feel the course man. Me auntie cuss me out again and say oh me never tell her and yeah me feel so bad. First year that I feel so bad say I come to college, I know my brain no worse than anybody else. I actually can do my work and things. Second year, looking at myself and like, I remember first year, I never interested in teaching it. Second year now, like, my auntie call me, right? My auntie literally call me and she talk to me and she say, you need to do what you need to buckle down and say, kick you out of that program and say, Jaja, you know, say, I need to do. So, I made a mistake in second year, yes, 1 year mistake. After that, second year now, decided to say, I'm mash lyrics. So second year, boom. Still idle, mind you. Because me have a little idle mentality in my way. I have to have fun. I don't really idle. As a human being, you have to have fun. Hard work and no play make whosoever a dumb person. Jack, Jill, any one of them will climb up the hill. Anyways, so yeah, go through now and decide that I mash up the course then start with them back to back and start mad them up. First semester done, me no feel none. Right? Alright. second semester, second year come, boom, summer come, feel nice, you know, feel none. Yeah, why mistake? No. Then mommy tell me face some course now first year, right? But if you do them over, and I never do them over, I look past them and Mr. Mackenzie come, Mr. Mackenzie cuss me again. Mr. Mackenzie say, me how tell you auntie? Yeah, tell me auntie. Auntie cuss me again. So you know, say I want whole heap of cussing. Mother cuss me, grandma cuss me. So you know, say right this and then I gone down again, like my whole college vibe gone down. So third year now, right? Besides I I mash up some of my course them for my feel and do my third year course them, right? So boom, start off the third year on a roll. Course them PF and everything. I wonder how they feel. Besides I do them over. So what happened now is that third year is the most hectic year in a teacher education. The worst part. Like literally for me it was the worst part because we have a course I carry and then we start the research. Then you know you have teaching practice. So what happened is that we go out and we do first semester, clear off a couple of courses on the field and yeah. Besides I cool, not feel about nothing and mash up the first semester course and then boom, go up and teaching practice. Go up and teaching practice. Right here so now we start, you know? Start like teaching because not because of the profession but because of the kids and the experience in our classroom. You get to realize just watching them and just communicating with them it just ring a bell somewhere inside that you where I don't know if you explain about days of passion for teaching, just that bell, right? And second semester was the teaching practice then it must say 2 months or 1 month. Then after that after 1 month I'm done, we'll go back to school and we did start the back work again and decide say cool, I do again. I go and do work. That's all the school to do. And do work. Complete the course them and thing. But me now feel say me did I never feel about nothing because I feel like I do everything I fit do.
Okay, that can be.
So me think say me don't do what I do now in a third year and everything go on and everything good. Boom, result come out. Me look, I feel it too. First thing I do, call me auntie. So I feel too. Because this time I don't have she feel for nobody. So I tell her myself and she said, alright, it's all in the game. You know? For that, she start motivating me again. When this you're growing in college now, so you don't know what you need to do. Boom, then did I check me say, nah, I got 40 years and all something there, something there. So I decided to say, yo, I'm not worried about that. So, nah lie, what me do was a silly mistake, and me not call it a mistake. It was silly, but it wasn't a mistake. I decided to say, yo, I'm not push myself to go on the teaching practice like everybody, I push myself. So what me do? You really course how you feel and I comment and tell her about them. Sit down and spend 1 whole year with them. Well, because basically start here about this work and travel business and this and so yeah, can spend a couple of time at college and go fine and make money same way, don't it? That's what I did. And after Mr. Mackenzie come to me and said to me, say, boy, you have to take advantage of this work and travel thing and if you get the course out of way and done. And yeah, do that. Then 4th year come on and do what we do. And yeah, basically spend from September to December I spend it right now in the classroom and I go to one school where I primary, I love it. I say me love it. The family was just this and just always. And they help me and me go through, right through any little problem I have. And my sister they want come like my sister what I do for me class teacher and my sister what I do. You know? Miss
Keep
Bramwell.
you have your back.
Yeah, Miss Bramwell big up herself but you don't know. I'm number one assessor. And yeah, yes you carry from this like me just decide that you are teaching a profession now. Me no regret. I can never regret going to college because the party and the excitement
Was all in the game.
I made that. But
Yeah.
no, I don't made that. I read after me. Not because of COVID or anything like that. No. And I just steer me on. All me need internet, game,
Me. Oh.
your chat too much.
Yeah,
your chat.
we are weird, you know, we are weird.
So yeah, I'm not saying it nice. I'm not know say mommy alright, daddy alright, auntie, grandma, you know. Everybody around me have alright, see me because without people around me will help if you are nobody.
So the process for me is like basically I think I wasn't really here to hear everything, but I think it's the same thing because I went through the failing process, had to do the additional here to complete whatever, all of that. Did I go on teaching practice still the additional here, and now I'm here right now. I'm here right now. So yeah, it's like the thing. So it's a thing that we would do because him do it, me do it, or me do it, him do it. It was just it was just an unfortunate situation that is not unfortunate anymore. Cause really and truly, it's like
we learn more.
Yeah, we learn more, and it's like a thing where you know, when say in a year time, like there's something will go something like that. If in a year time to finish your race, you will see it in the end of it. Because honestly, if our time did end, then probably would have benefited in somewhere where we don't really have some stuff that we really wish we had now, but it make we grow more, you know.
Maturity.
Yeah, where I think we are mature more than we ever were. You understand? Like, it just give us the time to find out who we really are, because you see the year when the failing and all that coming in, and well, probably not for him, but for me, it's like it gave me additional time to think about what I really want, who am I really, and like, you know, how the different steps that I'm going to take to make myself better and to work harder for what I want.
Oh, for me, like the circle me they have around me, them motivate, like same like how me, them that people that motivate me, like the circle, like Granville, Creeper, Cleon, Biles, Diddy, I don't know, although Diddy, you know, him a female group and thing, but yeah, him did it with the same way. Them they one no matter what. They don't know, the dog them did it and the dog them decide to say, oh yeah, we have to done school. So no matter what, even Creeper, bright boy for me.
Very like a basic though,
when I say boy bright, them man they just get up. The man have exam 9 o'clock in the morning, right? And the whole syllabus, he studied from 7 o'clock to 8:30, the entire syllabus. When you get from 7 o'clock to 8:30 in the morning, then he go be there and run got exam. I remember when he come back to room, you know say he passed that.
But trust me, and everybody have some people, not everybody can do that. Not everybody can do that, you know. It's like everybody just have them all different learning.
I tried that with Ari. I feel Ari was so easy. Well, I never know why I feel it, but I tried study night before and it never worked. I have to study right through to actually pass, but I guess I just saw me make.
Being in the process now of being a teacher, I think it's one of those jobs that you really, really want to be in right now. We are really needed. We needed more than anything else, don't it?
No.
Eh?
Doctor needed
Well,
more.
essential workers. Well, in a few time now, this is our essential time. Because if them lack school, 100% no online, no nothing. All the people them gonna learn. So we needed to make the people them learn.
They won't put it on TV and see
Well, it will. They will have it, but it won't facilitate everybody. It won't
yeah,
facilitate.
can everybody have free.
Yeah, it won't. You see, and with it now happening on the online, it's better for us as teachers. We are more mentally alright.
So they want to video one night where one saying the panel line away from the teacher.
Oh, that video, yeah.
Like literally, he want to pin up himself on the line.
Yeah. You know, it's just a thing, and I wasn't really the type of person. Growing up as a child, I would say, I want to be a teacher because my mom's a teacher. And then after I went to school and I studied high school and I did straight business subject, and then I said I wanted to be a business. But if you really realize, if you like know me, it's like those subjects kind of, it's kind of in me as well. You get what I'm saying?
Subject in him, I just family, I just student
I
and business.
I not say, but like the whole subject that I did, it helped to build me because me have like, you know, how to do a certain things and whatever. It's like it's me. So being a teacher and being a business person is just me. And today we are one teacher with our degree waiting to come in our hands, but we have it to our name.
When you read for the paper,
yeah, already. It's just free. You will give it to
so-called January when they say virtual graduation.
Yeah, and you guys are sitting here not saying UA. We did not went to UWI, but the program is a UWI program. Is so when you graduate, you have to go to UWI to graduate, and you get your degree with UWI and it and Money College, the Pampartite as well. So yeah, the lighting not too bad. It's like you have a vibe. The lighting have a vibe to me. It's like, you know them vibe. Yeah.
Look at me now on the picture.
Anyways, people, it's just a whole learning process for everybody. We hope we could have given you guys a little, you know, whatever.
Can't say. You have to follow me in the first year, but only thing, if you go to college, you follow me. You might not fortunate enough for you can feel and get the chance to
come back strong, yeah.
Go,
you know?
And know say, oh, but they say to me, the auntie always say to me, college is something that make you and can also
break you, yeah.
And it was proven.
Yeah, because we started with a lot of persons and a whole lot of them drop out of school, because our class in our time, the class was probably about 20 persons, and no, it was a 20 man, and the other group had 17, and to about third year it ended up to about 12. Was it that far? But a good amount of you think what about like
it did some of the people never drop out, but then did
Ghana also.
It was just like some of them just feel too much.
Yeah, and they had to.
And they have to stay back. Me need to stay back, but
we had the opportunity to.
Me not tell me not stay back.
Yeah,
no.
We had the
opportunity. What could tell me that?
It's somehow we fell in the you see what happened with some of those persons is like them did a feel, and then they got opportunity to help themselves, and like them still did a.
You just a log behind,
yeah.
But guess what? So
but
everybody
raised to win.
You work out for them same way, because now them actually a teach and them actually can teach. So they actually everybody have different what you can say experiences with college. It's just that you graduate and you finish.
Yeah. That's a big deal.
That's alone matter.
Yeah, that's a big deal.
That's what I mean. As a teacher right now, if a student look for me and tell me, sir, God me feel, and okay, yes, you failed, but what? So what? Do it again.
Yeah.
A school work, that's something where you can pass. once a schoolwork or something where you can pass. So you can't say this to anybody. You feel you feel this and you feel that. You can do it back. And if you choose to change and do something else, you just put in your hard work.
Yeah, no one is perfect. Yep. So we can only give you the whole input of the part that the part that I want something else, but we know. We can only give it a part of the whole that's how the whole process is of becoming a teacher. We can't tell them about the pay part. I don't think we're going to come and tell the guys anything about the pay part. No, but you know.
At least, I don't know anybody want to know.
No, like you have persons that are going to comment and say how much our teacher income.
Well,
we're not gonna
confidentiality.
Yeah, we're not gonna come and tell that part, but as something where if you alone and you have a help, yeah, you can make it in a life, right?
Yeah. Teaching is the best profession.
I know.
To me,
yeah,
I don't want to look over there. Best profession to me right now. So maybe you think something else. Maybe you say taxi man is best option because you have money and every day.
That's true. Yeah.
Teacher you have to wait until we don't have worry if you get a little money and by time
benefits people.
And by time you're spending a little money during the month, you don't have to wait till we don't have worry again.
Yeah.
And the taxi man and the bus man and get money in there and every single day. So
it's
not saying anything is gonna be a taxi man or a bus man right now. As a teacher right now, I go run a bus right now. Yeah. But I think I joke
that money, the additional money
fast.
Yeah, the additional money.
So as we say, anything you do in a life, put your best foot forward. Not your toe in it, whole foot. And
the best one.
Yeah. All if I all mash up foot, put it in the same way.
If I tell you,
at least you put a foot.
Yeah.
Put a foot and you know, say, alright, you get the experience.
Yes guys, so that's that. The lighting did really, I hope you know, but nobody if you wonder.
Basically listen to my listen.
Yeah. And you know how him look, you know me look. We don't have a ring light here, so that's that. So people, I really enjoyed this video. I wasn't here to hear half of what he said, but
you don't need to hear, kind of.
So guys, if you are new and you watch this video, make sure to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Share it until another video. Bye.